Now let us know about the use of roads for production and sale of goods. Most people in Telangana depend on roads for travel. Transport facilities available to villages in Telangana vary. Farmers take their produce to the Raitu Bazaars. Fisher folk need to take their catch to the buyers before they get spoiled. Paper industry uses lorries to get raw material. As in the same way like farmers, fisher folk, paper industries which produce goods depend on transport system to receive their customers or to revenue their customers. So as in there like farmers, fisher folk, paper industry, there are many factories and industries which depend on transport system for the revenue or recharge from their customers. Now let us know about the transport choices and sources. People could use a particular mode of travel depending upon the facilities available and affordability. And for centuries, ships were an important mode of travel to faraway countries, take people as well as goods. So, for centuries, ships were an important mode of travel, means the most important means of transport. Faraway countries to faraway countries. With people as well as good also. But today only few people are traveling by ships and almost all the goods are transported by them. So compared to the past, now only fewer people travel in ships, but almost all the goods will transported by the ships. The people employed in factories, shops or offices, industries also depend on the transport. Employees in offices, shops, industries, factories, etc. It is not very easy to access the public transport, so people depend upon their own vehicles or hired vehicles. So if so it is always not possible for the access of public transports like buses, etc. So people travel on their own vehicles or hired vehicles. If the cost of travel is high, people may not be able to travel from one place to another. Cost of travel. If the transport cost is high, people will not show interest in moving to that place. So if the travel cost is high or transport cost is high, people will do not so much interest in going to that place, or they do not move from one place to another. Now we have a question. Why are the transport systems are the means of livelihood? Livelihood. Because there are many workers who work in the transport system, like conductors, collectors, accountants, etc. When they continuously work on the transport system, their families also depend upon this system only. If the workers on the transport system do not work, their family also do not run. They'll get many problems. So there are many members who work in the transport system, in the buses, like drivers, accountants, where their families are also on the need of their work. So we say that that's why transport systems are means of livelihood, because they need to run their family, because most of the members who are working in the transport system run their family by the salary given by the transport system. Actually, transport system work is very hard job. They need to travel, they need to do much hard work, then they get the salary or income which can be run their families by this amount. So we say that's why transport systems are means of livelihood to many families and to many workers. I hope you have understand these whole topics. Now let us know what are the safety measures and what are the conditions and pollutions.